This is the Luxor Hotel and Casino, one of the most legendary properties on the Las Vegas Strip. Should you stay here? This is our verdict. We stayed at the Luxor for 3 nights and booked a Tower Premier King room, which was situated in the East Tower right next to the main pyramid building. We had read and watched some bad reviews of this hotel and went in with fairly low expectations, but they were well and truly exceeded after our stay. If you're worried about staying at the Luxor, we really don't think you need to be. The resort is the second most southerly property on the Las Vegas Strip, with Mandalay Bay to the south and the Excalibur to the north. All 3 hotels are connected by a free tram, which is well worth making use of. It takes you all the way down to Mandalay Bay and then all the way up to the Excalibur walkway that connects you to New York, New York. We actually didn't mind the Luxor's location at all, as you can easily walk to Mandalay Bay via the Mandalay shops or across to Excalibur and then on to New York, New York, MGM Grand, and Park MGM. The Luxor is far from Center Strip or North Strip, but we used Ubers every day to get around and they're very reasonably priced. Onto our room, our Tower Premier King was very spacious and felt fairly modern. The huge king bed was very comfortable and the room was nice and quiet, so we slept very well. We had lots of wardrobe space as well as an iron and ironing board, this huge TV, and a safe. We did not have a coffee machine or a kettle, and the room also doesn't come with a mini fridge. We'd say that these are the 2 things that let it down. You do have access to an ice machine down the hallway, but we didn't find that much use. Although it is handy to have a vending machine as well. We were very impressed with the size of our room and certainly could not complain for the price we paid. It had plenty of lights, plugs, some cool artwork, and basically was just perfect for a few days in Las Vegas. We also appreciated the 2 green armchairs we had, and while our view was not the best in Vegas, it was still cool to see the mountains in the distance. Our bathroom was also a big plus and was plenty spacious too. It's fitted with a huge mirror and comes with a big surface for storing all of your products, while the gold detailing adds a touch of class. It was also very clean with no signs of mold or damp and came well stocked with everything you need, including a hairdryer, hand wash, shower gel, shampoo, plenty of toilet paper, and lots of clean towels. It was great to have a separate bathtub too, and the shower was very good. The bathroom definitely gets a plus. Aside from the lack of mini fridge and no tea and coffee making facilities, we could barely fault our Tower King Premier room. Now onto the Oasis pool area, which opens from 9 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. The Luxor has 4 pools that total 19,000 square feet with over 125 square feet of space, made up of regular deck chairs that are free to use as well as lounge chairs, day beds, and cabanas, which are all premium priced to hire. Towels are complimentary, while there's also a snack bar. The pool area was nicer than we expected and very clean, but there simply isn't enough shade when it's 100 degrees outside and the sun is blaring if you're not paying for one of the cabanas. For this reason, we only spent around an hour sunbathing and swimming. Still, it's a very nice area that is well-themed and features some epic views of the pyramid and towers, as well as Mandalay Bay. The Luxor has a huge casino with multiple bars, a food court, Diablo's Cantina Mexican, Tap Sports Bar, 2 Starbucks locations, and other eateries. It's also home to the Titanic exhibition and popular shows, including the Blue Man Group and Carrot Top. It's a huge resort with lots to do, and there's so much close by too, with Mandalay Bay and Excalibur next door. Overall, we loved our stay at the Luxor and would recommend it to any budget-conscious traveler heading to Las Vegas. Have you stayed at the Luxor, or are you planning a trip to Vegas? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and leave us a comment below. It really helps the channel. Hit the subscribe button to see more Vegas videos and other travel videos from around the world. We'll see you next time.